Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive south on US Highway 71 as well as US Highway 59. We're in Polk County, Arkansas, and we begin just south of the town of Hatfield. We're at an elevation of 984 feet or 300 meters above sea level. We enter the town of Cove, which had an estimated population of 373 as of 2019. The town contains 2 franchise chain stores, a Mexican restaurant, a deli, a bank, and 2 automotive repair facilities. Visible ahead on the right, Cove Hardware is a feed store, lumber, and hardware store. The rugged hills of the Ouachita Mountains remained sparsely settled until after the Civil War, although Cove appears on maps as early as the 1850s. It's not clear why Cove was chosen for the name of the community. By 1890, Cove was noted as an enterprising and good business village with 5 general stores, a drugstore, 3 blacksmith shops, a wagon shop, a schoolhouse, a combination sawmill and grist mill with a cotton gin, and a church building shared by Baptists, Cumberland Presbyterians, and Methodists. The school, established in 1884, met in a log cabin until it burned down in 1889. For 1 year, students met in a storefront while a new schoolhouse was built from local lumber. That building continued to be used as a school until 1929. A post office was established in 1897. For about a year, it was known as Venice, but the name Cove Station was chosen in 1898. Eventually, the name was shortened to Cove. New lumber companies were established, including the Barton Lumber Company and the Cove Lumber Company. A new school was built in the new community on land donated by Barton. A hotel opened in 1914, and Cove was incorporated as a town in 1926. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Wickes, which had an estimated population of 747 as of 2019. Near Wickes is the Bog Spring Youth Encampment of the American Baptist Association, a retreat of the missionary Baptist churches. Wickes has historic places such as the 100-year-old City Hall and the Lighthouse Drive-In. Wickes is now dominated by the poultry industry. The post office established at Wickes in 1897 was briefly designated Sherwood, but the name Wickes was being used by the end of that year. Wickes was incorporated as a city in 1944. Tyson Foods Incorporated has both a hatchery and a poultry processing plant in Wickes. Although Wickes never became a relatively large city like Mena, it was a successful lumber town for much of the 20th century. On the left is the eastern terminus of US Highway 278, which runs for 1,074 miles to Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. We conclude today's video here as we leave the city of Wickes. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.